Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to connect Mailchimp with Shopify. To get started, open your Shopify admin page in your browser. Then open Mailchimp.com in the same browser. If it is your first time using Mailchimp, create an account. And activate it through the email that they send to you. Once your account is activated, fill in the information and paste your Shopify URL. Navigate to the integration section on the left side of your screen. Select Shopify. And click on Get Started. Log into your Shopify store. Choose your active account. And click Install. After installing the application on Shopify, log in Mailchimp. And authorize access to your account. Synchronize your store data with the default setting. Once everything is synchronized, you will see your audience stats and promotional codes. You can now continue working on Mailchimp. Click on the Continue to Mailchimp button on the bottom of the page. You will be able to see your customers, subscribers, products, and orders from your store on the Mailchimp page. To view audience information, click the audience on the left side of your screen and then click All Contacts. To add contacts, click on Add Contact, select Add Subscribers from the drop-down menu, fill in the information and click Subscribe. Thank you for following along.